Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this new year, I've really been trying to focus on improving different parts of my life and also working self-care into my routine. So today I actually went to the gym, which is a great form of self-care, and I decided I should just take you guys along my entire self-care journey, which includes having a shower ritual and also taking care of my scalp. So if you guys want to see like a sweaty me, show you guys how it's done, keep watching. Alright guys, I just got back from the gym. So normally when I get back from the gym, this is the time that I take to really take care of my hair and spend quality time in the shower, making sure that my scalp and my hair is healthy. So this is the Rooted Rituals Quick Rinse Scalp Scrub. So I use this as my first step to cleanse my hair. It basically gets rid of all the buildup that can get accumulated on your scalp and gets me prepared to condition and treat the rest of my hair. So for the conditioning and moisturizing process, I love to use the Rooted Rituals Deep Hydrating Concentrate. So basically you use this from your mid-length to your ends, and this is going to really help nourish your split ends, and if you have any breakage on your ends, this is really important to use. Alright guys, I'll let you know what these are. Let's go shower. Alright guys, so I just finished taking a shower. I'm feeling all refreshed and I'm ready to talk about the rest of my hair care routine. So for me, scalp care is really important because I bleach my hair almost every month, and so it's really damaging to both my hair and my scalp. It gets super dry and I need products that help me repair and keep my hair looking healthy. So that brings me to the last step of my hair care ritual. This is the Rooted Rituals Cooling and Strengthening Tonic, and this does three main things for your hair. It helps maintain the moisture barrier of your scalp, it also improves the thickness, and overall just helps maintain your hair's health. So I love using this on dry hair actually, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it right now. So this is how I like to use it, right here. And then I'm going to basically section off my hair and put 2 to 4 drops into each section. So after you're done putting the drops into every section, you can just let it sit and definitely massage it into your scalp. Or there's actually a Rooted Rituals tool that I love using. It's a little scalp massager, and this helps push the product further into your scalp. Alright guys, so that brings me to the end of my hair care ritual. I hope this was helpful to you guys and you learned a little bit about scalp health and how I take care of my hair. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you with anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!